Hello and welcome to another Python coding challenge. Today's challenge is dedicated to all of you out there who are looking for love or wish to become matchmakers for your friends. The task is simple. Rate how compatible two people are in love using their first names only. The score is calculated based on 6 criteria, which you can find summarized here. The total sum is the rating of how compatible two people are. Obviously, the higher the score, the more compatible they are. Of course, this is only intended as a fun game to play with friends, and doesn't reflect reality in any way. But why not have a go anyway and put your coding skills to the test? As usual, I will give you 1 week to solve the challenge, and until next time, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and, most importantly, show your support by subscribing to the channel. Oh, and as always, happy coding!